a little fun. In a lot of my work, I am developing makeup looks to pair with a style or fashion. This smoky eye nude lip is also playing so well with Simone's whole outfit. Esme, did that outfit influence your choice to pick the shade?
It sure did, Nanda. It's the same rule you would use for how to choose a lipstick shade. If you're wearing cool colors, choose a cool shade of lipstick, and if you're wearing warm colors, choose a warmer lipstick shade. Simone's top has this golden color that I wanted to complement and create a subtle yet flowing vibe.
Most people have their favorite colors or know their color palette that complements their skin tone best, so it's just one more step to pair the right lipstick shade.
Here's where I think Artistry's Go Vibrant Lipstick's broad palette of bold colors really wins. Not only is this formula clean, vegan, and not tested on animals, it is nourishing, hydrating, and has intense color payoff. Whether you want to achieve a classic red lipstick makeup look or find a lipstick shade to go with a bold pop of color, there is a universally flattering shade for all here.